Hi friends, today I am going to share with you the top 10 highest paid female models in the world. Number 10 is Ashley Graham. Ashley Graham is an American plus-size model whose career started at a tender age of 13 when she used to appear in adverts and catalogs. From then, she has grown tremendously, appearing on the cover of fashion magazines such as Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, Glamour, and Elle. Her yearly earnings are $5.5 million and she has over 7 million followers on Instagram. Number 9 is Bella Hadid. Isabella Hadid is walking in her sister's shoes, Gigi Hadid. She is ranked the 9th paid model, earning $6 million yearly. The blonde beauty was voted her Model of the Year for Model.com's Model of the Year 2016 awards and has over 21 million followers on Instagram. Number 8 is Liu Wen. Liu Wen is a Chinese model who was named Chinese first bona fide supermodel by New York Times in 2012. Like many supermodels, she has also been one of Victoria's Secret's angels and has graced the cover of Vogue magazine. She earns $6.5 million a year and has over 4 million Instagram followers. Number 7 is Karlie Kloss. Karlie Kloss is an American model who was Victoria's Secret's angel from 2011 until 2015. She earned $9 million yearly and is sitting on 7.8 million followers on Instagram. Number 6 is Rosie Huntington Whiteley. English model, actress, designer and businesswoman. Rosie Huntington Whiteley is an all-rounder who needs no introduction. Better known for her sterling job at Victoria's Secret, this 31-year-old is currently ranked the 6th paid model in the world, earning $9.5 million with only 38,000 followers on Instagram. Number 5 is Gigi Hadid. Gigi Hadid is an American model who managed to make her mark within a short space of time. After joining the industry in 2013, by November 2014, she was already on the list of top 50 models ranked by Models.com. She makes about $9.5 million annually and has been named of the International Model of the Year by the British Fashion Council in 2016. She has over 44 million followers on Instagram. Number 4 is Adriana Lima. Brazilian model and actress Adriana Lima is one of the best models who has been running the game. Ranked as the 4th paid model by making $10.5 million a year. Lima has been part of the big campaigns such as being a sport model for Maybelline Cosmetics since 2003 and working for Victoria's Secret for over 18 years. She is sitting on over 12 million followers on Instagram. Number 3 is Chrissy Teigen. American model and author Chrissy Teigen is currently the 3rd paid model in the world and makes about $13.5 million a year. Her entry to the industry was via Sport Illustrated swimsuit issue back in 2010 and the rest is history. She currently has over 21 million followers on Instagram. Number 2 is Gisele Bündchen. Gisele Bündchen is a Brazilian model and actress. Since 2004, Bündchen has been among the highest paid models in the world and is currently ranked 2nd, making of $17.5 million annually from modeling. She has graced the cover of Vogue magazine several times, is sitting on over 14 million followers on Instagram. It's always the designers who get all the shine, forgetting that it's actually models who make clothes look good. Any garment is just a piece of clothing until the model make it what exactly it is, or haute couture or whatever it may be. Models are not just dolls who show off clothing. They are actual people with real jobs and get paid for it. In fact, most of them make more money than people with corporate jobs, and these are the top 10 paid models worldwide. Among the top 10 highest paid models, first place goes to Kendall Jenner. American model and reality TV star Kendall Jenner is the youngest and highest paid model in the world. At just 23, Jenner gets a whopping $22 million annually. She has worked for Victoria's Secret, Versace, graced the cover of top magazine including Elle, and has over 99 million followers on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Let's meet again in the top 10.